everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a couple of products with you guys that I've been trying and absolutely loving. So I made a purchase at Sally Beauty. Actually, I purchased online at Sally Beauty because I just don't seem to find myself going to stores these days just to kind of stay out of the public, and it's just very convenient to get a package in the mail, even though you have to wait a little bit. But yeah, I ordered a bunch of things and I wanted to order some hair products. So I'm someone who never really used hair products a lot. I would just have like my natural hair, let it air dry. I wouldn't really put anything in it, maybe like a serum every once in a while. But as you can see, I took a lot of hair off. I got like 4 inches off my hair, maybe more, I don't know. My hair used to be like down to here, maybe here, yeah. So I have short hair now and I've been styling it a lot more, and it's just feeling really soft and silky and way easier to manage these days. So I've definitely been using these products religiously. So the first one is the Cantu line. It's like this big orange container. I didn't actually know it was this humongous. I feel like this might last me like 3-4 years. But yeah, this is the like salon size. I should have gotten like the smaller size, but it's the leave-in conditioning repair cream. So you put this on damp hair right after I get out of the shower and wash my hair. I usually towel dry it a little bit and then I put this in and I just leave it in, and I don't comb my hair. I just let my hair air dry, and then I kind of like comb through the curls with a pick comb once everything's dry, just to like give it a little bit more soft texture. But this is amazing. It actually works really well with my hair to tame the frizz and to give it shine and to give it more moisture without making it feel greasy or weighed down. It actually feels really nice and light. It has a very nice scent to it too. But these products are sulfate and paraben free, which I love because I don't want to put harmful products on my hair. Obviously that's counterproductive because I'm trying to grow out healthy hair and I want to put the best products on it, but I don't want to spend a fortune either. So this was like 12 bucks maybe. And if you have a Sally's membership, it always comes out a little bit less with their discount. But this says it provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft, manageable, formulated for damaged, dry, or coarse hair. So this is for, you know, hair on the more dry side. It feels very creamy and thick, but it doesn't feel so thick that like you still feel it in your hair like the next day, or greasy. I've had products like that before where it felt like it really weighed down my hair, or it was like coating like one strand of hair and then the other piece of hair like didn't have anything on it. It actually coats it so evenly and nicely, and you wake up with like beautiful curls. It doesn't end up crunchy. It doesn't make it like greasy or weighed down. I try to keep this like on like the lower half of my hair because I don't want to put it on my roots, obviously. But yeah, absolutely in love with this line. I'm so curious to try like their shampoo and conditioner, so I might try those next, but I highly recommend the leave-in conditioning cream. And then next I was trying out their Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair comeback curl, next day curl revitalizer. So this is like a spray and it looks very liquidy, but it actually comes out very like creamy, almost like detangling spray consistency. So it comes out almost like a leave-in conditioner, just a little bit more slick. But yeah, so I have discovered that spraying this onto my hair isn't really the best idea because it just kind of comes out in clumps, which is what I described as not wanting, because, you know, I don't want one piece of hair to have it and another piece of hair not. So I kind of just spray it onto my hand, and then I just like go like this and I just, you know, work it into my curls. So that seems to work best. I'll tip my head upside down and do it that way to give it more volume and texture, and it just brings a lot of bounce, life, and shine to my hair. It's amazing. I feel like it actually conditions my hair. It really does revitalize my curls. Like the next day I'll be like, they're looking a little limp, so I'll add some of this stuff in with it, and right away I have like curls again. Like they just bounce back to life. So much shine. It's not crusty or crunchy. It doesn't, you know, leave you greasy. This line is just so good. I highly, highly, highly recommend them. Yeah, it reduces frizz, adds shine, made with pure shea butter, and it's for all hair types. So, and what I also like is it's no sulfates, no silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. So you're not putting bad stuff on your hair. It's incredible. Definitely give these a try if you have curly, thick hair like me, and definitely struggle with frizz, because frizz is like my #1 enemy, and anything I can get to tame that is a lifesaver. So give these two a try. Let me know your thoughts if you tried them already. How do you like these products? I would love to hear down below. And until I see you guys in my next video, bye.